Okay, I started that and I hit the wrong button. The heck did this go? No, give me, what? Well, I guess I started something. I hit some button. Who knows? Alright, well, I'm live. Tap to, what? Pick a song. No, I don't want to pick a song. What is this thing? Who knows? Alright, I'm just having too much fun here. Well, okay, just throw this up on here. Alright, I was trying to do that, but it didn't work out right. So, here, throw that there. Alright, and then angle this. I guess I'm live. I don't know, because I hit some button by mistake. Okay. Anyway, today is, what is today? Today is, well, that's what I hate about this phone. There we go, that. Okay, today is that day, that morning, Sunday morning. Alright, it's Sunday morning, okay. The 17th November 2019. Alright, so, what do I want to say? I want to move this camera down so it sees the floor better, right? So that one down to the floor. That's good. All right. Then I want to make sure this one's seeing the floor, so I guess I'm live. I hope I'm live. I don't know if I'm live. Do you know if we're live? I don't know. Okay. So that one sees the floor. This one can see the floor. I'm in such a cramped little space here. All right. But just want to say that, let's see, how do I do this? All right. See if I can see in that camera. Okay, where did we start? Where do we put it? Here it is. Okay, well, I have this radio here. It's a Quasar 3632. I took it out to play it, and it just doesn't sound very good, at least not to my ears. I mean, it does work, right? So there's a tape in there. Let me get this tape out, all right? And this one is fairly scratched up and such. Right here, and then it's got a it's missing the tape counter reset button. Other than that, it's complete. Okay, and then I got one of these in the mail a while back, and I made a video about it unboxing because this is all tore to hell. It works fine, but the tweeters dropped down inside. I never have taken it apart or anything, and I'm really trying to get one of these complete. Somebody has one of these that they mentioned. They got one with the paper on it. I don't care about the paper on there. I just want to play my cassettes. Got it? And this is the machine I'd like to play it in because it has all the features up there. Okay? That's what I'm looking for, is one of these. This is a Quasar 3632. Okay? There we go. That's what I'm looking for right there. Alright? Now, let's see here. So now, and then we have a, speaking of Quasar, here is a 3622, okay? And the only difference between it and that is that it has knobs and doesn't have ambience, but I don't care about the ambience part. But it does have your level line in, meter, all that, and it's got shortwave, okay? And then to confuse it even further, all right, this one here is a Panasonic RX-5031, not a 5030. It's a 5031, and it has shortwave, line in, level, and all that. Wait, over here, okay. And your standard basic controls. And all of these share the same characteristic that they only take 60 batteries. Therefore, they're only 2 watts a channel. They're not very loud, but they play cassettes, and that's all I'm interested in, okay? But again, I'm looking for this one here, because a lot of my tapes have the equalization of chrome and or metal, not so much normal. That's only for the store-bought tapes. That's what I'm looking for, is one to have that on there. Because the, where is it? The Panasonic 5031 does not have the tape equalization. So that's what I'm looking for. I mean, don't have Dolby, you know, but that'll help. Anyway, so that's what I'm looking for, right? So now, but this is about, because I'm trying to get just a good working model of the Quasar 3632, and I found this another 31. What is it? This one here. This is another supposedly worked over. Here, let me show it before. It's completely boxed and, you know, no shaking. All right, so it's good packing. And the guy said that he's, you know, he's doing other stuff, and I didn't really look into the history of other stuff that he sold, but he says he knows how to pack things. So I took him to that, and it's like, yeah, here we go. So here's some interesting stuff you only find in Canada. Wow. So we got some, well, it's his, okay, that's some weird stuff. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Yeah, there we go. All right. So that's some interesting packing material. I'll have to save this. So yeah, so great. Just snap that off, and should snap it off here actually, so we don't. Yeah, dig it. Okay. And then we've got a, oh damn, saran wrap. I hate saran wrap. Why do they do saran wrap, people? Well, here's an interesting piece of, I don't know what this is, but it's nifty stuff. Oh, why saran wrap? Put a bubble back, put a bag around it. Gosh. Yeah. Alright, so if saran wrap gets too close to the material that you're trying to get the darn thing off of, and it's comes apart in pieces and all that, and I don't know. Now he said that there was, oh yeah, okay, so yeah, the knobs, this is the original knob, these are not the original knobs, but he already said that, but he made, you know, but that's okay. Alright, so here's that, there's this. Okay, so we've got a business card or something on the front here. Thank you for your purchase. And a business card. Well, that's all. Could have stuck it elsewhere. I mean, good grief, people. Just put it to the side. I would have gotten it, but now I got to cut it out of here. I'll cut it out of there later. Okay, and just there it is. All right, so what's this? Oh, we got some tapes. Oh, we got some tapes on the bottom here. We got some Ray Charles. Oh, that'll go. Heart. I like Heart. Ray Charles is okay, but I prefer Heart. Okay. And then we have the tape player itself. Come with a power cord. It comes with, oh no. What have we got here? Tootsie Rolls? Hey, what is this? We got truffles. Truffle candies. So we're past Halloween. So we've got some, what do we got here? I don't even know what this is. We got some Enerzine. This is in Russian. I don't know what this is, but if I hold this up to you and you see what this is, I don't know. Y'all see this? Whatever that is. And then I got some other candy here. We got truffle Zawalu. Zawaelu. I don't know. Truffle. Okay. Ever seen that? I've never seen it before. Damn, is he trying to? Okay, so it's a truffle candy bar. Okay. Fabulous. So we got that. Got tapes. What else is in here? We got a power cord. Ugh, power cord. Do I have enough power cords? Okay. I don't know if you can see it in the back. Does it show up in that camera? I don't know. Alright, so so now let's just, okay, the power, the thing's missing one tab. Oh well. As long as it holds batteries in place, that's all I'm interested in, okay? Did not say that. There's something I can, okay, so now let's get a power cord, because this is playing over there. ensuring that my power cords are good. So, what's the voltage set for? The voltage is set for 115, so that's good. Let's plug it in. See what we got. It's on off, FM, tape, radio.
Wants to help you accomplish your life missions. And then you can flame. Now accepting that after $28.71 per month credit. Credits applied with.
Is that for our fixed income?
Shortwave. And the other shortwave. Okay. So that works, kinda. Let's throw it back to tape. Take my BTO tape. Hit eject. Throw this in. And hit play. Okay, so cue review works, play works, and if I get out a tape out of one of these other machines here, see what have we got in here? We got some, I want to say Pink Floyd, but that's not it, that's Phil Collins. Wait, no, hit stop. Phil Collins, right? So, play. Don't know what he does. Okay, throw that back in here so I don't lose it. Yes, and then what have we got in here? We've got. Okay. We got. This is what is in here? This is Santana. All right, so Santana. Okay. Well, I know what it sounds like. Let's see here. And then the back, let's see here. On this end, it's got that. I don't know if that's supposed to be a gap here. There's a crack here. Huh. This is actually cracked. Alright. Well, it works. It's got some cracks and everything to it. But that's alright. As long as it plays a cassette, that's all I'm interested in. And that's all I really wanted to show you here. So, another day I'll have another box to open up. Alright, so, yeah. Got just too many things here to be playing with. Alright, so now I gotta, yeah, that's it. That's good. I just had too much fun here. Hopefully you've seen all that. I'll just hit finish. I could hit wave it. Wave, wave, wave. I see. So here, it's just another famously. Now, what did I say? I said I had wires, right? There are wires. See enough wires there? Okay. And if I close this door and let you see over there, I got more wires. All right. So we got enough wires. All right. So yeah. Got wires here, I got wires there, and I got me here. Okay, having too much fun. Got to go. Okay, yeah. What am I working on next? I'm working on the. Okay, if I can get this out without knocking this over. All right. So I'm working on. Am I still live? I don't know. Hopefully, I'm working on this next. Okay, so this is a Sanyo. I don't know what it is. Sanyo something or other. It's got the, speakers on top and speakers on the front and like that, and then also have this let's see here, and also have that one there. You can see it there, and I'll just point the camera over here for this one. Let's see here, I also have okay, yeah, here we go. So here's a 6-speaker Sanyo, and there's a 4-speaker Sanyo with a, I'm not going to get all that, I've already done enough here. Alright, so having too much fun. Good day, bye bye. 14 minutes on this camera. About the same on that one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Yeah. Alright, and then turn this one off. Ding! That was the Facebook ding.